Welcome to Pip Insight. Wednesday the 8th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 2 showing bullish structure and 5 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for gold, you've come to the right place, because this market is absolutely in focus heading into New York today. Gold has had a rough session. During the early London hours, price collapsed over 80 points, dropping from around $4,132 all the way down to a session low near $4,050. We've seen a modest bounce since then, and price is currently trading around $4,079, but make no mistake, the broader structure here remains firmly bearish across the 4-hour and 1-hour timeframes, with lower highs and lower lows clearly intact. On the 4-hour chart, both the 20 and 50 period EMAs have been breached and are now converging around $4,118 to $4,122, acting as dynamic resistance overhead. The RSI is approaching oversold territory near 31, which could generate short-term relief bounces, but that alone is not a reversal signal. Now, the big wildcard this afternoon is the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. New York time. Any language reinforcing a hawkish Federal Reserve stance could strengthen the dollar and weigh heavily on gold, given that inverse relationship. Conversely, any dovish tone or uncertainty could fuel safe haven demand and support a recovery. The key levels to watch into this session are resistance between $4,120 and $4,145, and support down at $4,048 to $4,065. A break below $4,050 would be particularly significant. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1425 and 1.1438. Support is marked between 1.139 and 1.14. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3364 and 1.337. Support is marked between 1.3318 and 1.3325. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.55 and 162.75. Support is marked between 162.05 and 162.2. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8094 and 0.8098. Support is marked between 0.8063 and 0.807. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.6944 and 0.6949. Support is marked between 0.6909 and 0.6912. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4205 and 1.422. Support is marked between 1.415 and 1.4165. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.